Vanakkam, now we are going to solve a problem from GATE 2022 ECE question paper. Question number is 19 and the question is, consider the 2-bit multiplexer shown in the figure. For output to be the XOR of C and D, the values of A0, A1, A2 and A3 are. So we have to find out this. So it is a 2-bit multiplexer, that means it is a 4/1 MUX because we have 4 inputs and 2 selection lines are there and 1 output line, and this output can be taken as y, and y must be equal to the XOR of C and D. So XOR of C and D, it can be expanded as CD dash plus C dash D, but we can put the table for this. Okay, so if you have C and D and the output is y, and this selection line can have 4 different combinations, isn't it? 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So for this case, if it is an XOR, if you have different inputs, then the output will be 1. If you have same inputs, then the output will be 0. This is the case, right? So now we'll check one by one. So initially, if we give this as 0 and 0, okay, which one will be selected? The 0th data line will be selected. And what is the output we need? We need to have this 0. Okay, so that must be available here as input. Then only this is just a data selector. The same data will be appearing as the output. So for the 0th input, the output will be 0. That depends on the selection input 0 and 0. Now we are going to give 0, 1 as selection inputs. This is the second case, right? So what would happen? This first line will be selected. Okay, this input line will be selected. So what is the output we require? We require 1 as the output. That means the input must be 1. Okay, so that the same would be forwarded here as the output. Okay, so we get the output as 1 at that time. And then when we apply this 1 0, that is the third condition. So for 1 0, what is the output we need? The 1 as the output we require. So this selection line will be selected and this 1 must be given, so that you get the output as 1. Then we go for the last combination, that is 1 1 combination for CD. So this is selected, this is applied. So we need to get the 0. When you apply this 1 1, this third input line or the data line will be selected, and we want to get the 0 as the output. That means you have to apply 0 here. Then only you will get the output as 0. Okay. So this is what we require. So A0 must be 0, A1 1, A2 1 and A3 0. So if you check for this combination, this is the required combination. So C is the answer. Thank you.